The Nuphy Air75 is making some bold claims, touting itself as the thinnest mechanical keyboard on the market. With its low-profile design, clocking in at a mere 16 millimeters at its slimmest point, it certainly looks the part. This 75% layout keyboard ditches the number pad for a compact form factor, ideal for travel or smaller desk setups. The aluminum frame feels premium and contributes to the overall sleek aesthetic. One of the standout features is the impressive connectivity. The Air75 supports Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4G wireless, and a wired USB-C connection. Even better, it can handle up to 4 devices simultaneously, making switching between your laptop, tablet, and phone a breeze. Nuphy claims a whopping 48 hours of battery life, which, if true, is exceptional. The 2,500 mAh battery should easily last a week of regular use, and even longer if you disable the RGB lighting. Speaking of lighting, the Air75 boasts 21 backlight modes and 4 sidelight modes. While the keycaps themselves aren't backlit, the surrounding glow adds a touch of personality. The dedicated multimedia keys and Mac compatibility are welcome additions, especially the handy screenshot shortcut. The Gatron red switches provide a smooth, linear typing experience, though the low-profile design might take some getting used to for those accustomed to traditional mechanical keyboards. Overall, the Nuphy Air75 appears to be a compelling option for anyone looking for a slim, stylish, and versatile mechanical keyboard. However, the real test will be in the long-term performance and durability.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.